you very much. Yes, sir.
Hey, good morning. It's Greg Goss once again. And as a person who ordered repair parts for combat helicopters, you're right, they can get up and down pretty quickly. And I'd like to say shout out to local Union 79, for which I was once a member and a union steward. I want to cut to the chase with this and play something. Hope you get this.
Third ASA assigned in this case once it went to Nash. There were all the stuff that happened to Judge Kaiser, Judge Wolf, I was not involved with at all, but we did discuss, and I looked through it, and there were 2 different court dates that I even hand-delivered everything that I possibly had to him once again, as far as discovery is concerned. And as I stated, there was 1 additional supplement that I looked into, found, and then provided to Mr. Goss. There have been additional requests for discovery on his behalf, and I have responded in writing to them, and these are things that are either not in possession by the state or can be obtained from public records.
Real cool. I'm gonna shut that off right there, but we can get the rest if somebody wants it from me. So the city of Tampa, and hopefully everybody was paying attention to the overhead, I requested emails, and apparently there are 7,000 emails about me that the city of Tampa didn't turn in during discovery. That's pretty interesting. We also talked about fundamental rights that the United States Constitution grants people. So that's where the $10,000 bill comes from. And oddly enough, today is the first time I've actually been in the same room with the individual who falsely accused me of a crime because he never showed up. 7,000 emails through a cursory search. 445 hours. That's about 12 weeks of somebody doing some hard work. Me and a couple of my friends will go in, and I just want to let you all know, make sure you make them available. There's an Article 1, Section 23 and 24 of the Florida Constitution. I'll just do it my damn self. But that's kind of interesting that I'm not that famous. You have 7,000 emails, which no one turned over to me during discovery. And we have rules of procedure in Florida, criminal rules of procedure, 3.220. I asked for it. They didn't give me anything. But we have 7,000 emails. I would tell everybody out here, you might want to take some time and check to see how many emails you have about yourself here in Tampa. That's quite a bit for a person who's not very famous. So at any rate, I want to say something about slavery. Slavery was a deliberate act by the United States government. And a slave is a description of a person who at one time was an architect, and the world's first architects, engineers, chemists, and scientists, and what have you. And my brother's an engineer, he's a doctor of engineering, and my mother and father both retired military. And that wasn't a benefit of slavery. That was the benefit of being descended from the originators of society and of civilization. That being said, shout out to the Thomas Jefferson High School. Y'all take care.
Thank you very much, sir. Anybody else here for public comment?